Hey photographer, Jessica Whitaker here. I'm sharing with you 10 posing ideas for couples. These poses are both classic and super cute, and your client needs zero experience in front of the camera to execute them. Thank you to KEH Camera for sponsoring this photography tutorial. KEH Camera is the best place to buy used camera equipment, and you can also sell your gear for cash or trade it in for something new. Everything on the website is thoroughly quality tested and then rated on a transparent ranking system. You can buy a lens that is in excellent plus condition, which is essentially like new, all the way down to bargain. My most recent purchase is an 85mm. It's actually what we're filming this clip on, and I got it in bargain condition. I was able to get it for hundreds of dollars off because it had more wear and tear. Unlike if you bought on a third-party auction site or a social media marketplace, you have no way of knowing the actual condition that the equipment is in. KEH has a generous return policy. You cannot go wrong with KEH, and so many members of my photography community, Build and Bloom, have raved about their experience shopping on KEH, and the bargain hunters like myself have also purchased from the lowest tier, which is bargain, and have been so happy with the result and with the savings. You can use my code Jess for 5% off your purchase. Check out KEH. It will be linked down below in the description box, and bookmark it for later because it is an incredible resource. And if you have a lens or two that's been collecting dust on your bookshelf or taking up room in your camera bag, you can sell it on KEH for cash or put it towards a new purchase. Like maybe you've been thinking about making an upgrade to a 50mm 1.2 this year. That's how you can make it happen. Thank you again to KEH for sponsoring this tutorial, and let's get into it. So the very first one is just going to be you two facing each other. So I'll set you guys up. And is it okay if throughout the shoot I want to adjust your hair or anything like that?
Yeah,
okay.
feel free.
Okay, perfect. Okay, and I love your pink nails. So cute. Okay, so the first pose I'm going to have you guys do is I want you to face each other. And you know what, can I actually have you flip so that I think your hair will blow? But yes, beautiful. So Ben, you're going to be on this side for me. Okay, so Ben, I want you to wrap your arms around her waist, and you're really gonna snatch in her waist. Beautiful, beautiful. And then Katie, I'm gonna have you put your hand up on his neck, and then the other one as well. Beautiful. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have you guys do something called kiss with your teeth. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at each other, and you're gonna smile, and then you're gonna go kiss with your teeth, and it's basically capturing that moment right before you actually kiss, because when you kiss, you're pursing your lips, and that's not very flattering for the photo. So this way it will look so magical. Oh my gosh. Okay, beautiful. So I'm just gonna get my camera settings real quick. Oh, super pretty, you guys. So our second pose is going to be very similar. So this time I want you to wrap your arms around his neck, and then Ben, you're almost gonna let her kind of hang off you so you can pop your leg up. Yeah. You're gonna be supporting her, so then she has this really beautiful shape. And then I'll have you lift your hand real quick. I'm just gonna scoop all that hair. Okay, and then put your hand there. Perfect, perfect. And then what I'm gonna have you do, Katie, is you're gonna make sure that this shoulder is always dropped a little bit so that you're nice and open. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you're just gonna, yes, beautiful. Ben, can you scoot your toes even closer to her? In real life, we're standing like that, but then our body is a little bit separated. So this way in the photo, it's nice and straight. Beautiful. And then I'll have you both look at me and go cheek to cheek. Beautiful. You're gonna be behind Ben, and you're gonna wrap your arms up and around him. So Ben, you are going to face it this way for me. And then you're gonna wrap your arms up and around. Yep, just like that. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. And then I'm gonna have you, Katie, with this foot, swing it right here. It's gonna give you more mobility. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. And then bring all your beautiful hair back. Oh my gosh, the light, it looks, let me show you how cute you look. Beautiful. And then Ben, I'm gonna have you put your hands in your pockets for me. Beautiful. And then can you pop your thumb out of your pocket too? Perfection. Beautiful, you guys. Give him a big snuggle. Oh, that's cute, cute, cute. Okay, I'm just gonna rotate you guys this way because the lights are gonna go doot, 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 other way. Doot, doot, doot. Yep, perfect, perfect, perfect. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Now can you give Ben a big tickle? Cute, 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 cute. The next pose that I want to do is where you guys are linking arms, and then Katie, you're going to kind of lean against him a little bit. So link arms with him. Yep, beautiful. And then the other hand, how about you hold hands with this one? Yep, beautiful. And then Ben, actually, can you grab his hand and then also wrap this one around, and then with your toes get a little bit closer to him. And then with your legs, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cross them, whichever feels most natural, probably this way so that you can lean into him. And then you just wanna point your toes. So with all of these poses, you're gonna get a lot of variety because you're doing far away, vertical, far away, horizontal, close up, horizontal and vertical, and then maybe even crop in really close on one of them. So for example, Katie, I'm gonna come in nice and close and just get her, and then get a little bit of Ben's shoulder in it, so that you're getting a lot of variety from all the same poses. Gorgeous. Perfect. Okay, so then what I'm having you do is with this arm, you're gonna put it up on his face like this. Beautiful. And then Ben, with your arm in the back, I want you to touch her face with this arm in the back. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. And almost, you know what, how about I'm gonna have you kind of play with her hair a little bit. So it's still gonna be up in that area. Yep, beautiful. And then with this arm, you're gonna touch her elbow. Yep, beautiful. And it's gonna be nice and cozy. And then with this pose, I know it feels natural to go back, lean back into him, but for the photo, you're gonna lean forward, so then it's nice and open. Yes, oh my gosh, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, your lashes look so good. And then actually, Ben, what I'm gonna have you do, you're gonna hold this little piece. Yep, beautiful. He already knows. Come on now, it's so cute. Gorgeous. You're gonna put your hands on Ben's neck, and then Ben, you're gonna put your hands right under her jaw. Beautiful. And you're gonna get as close as possible. And I know this is kind of, make sure that you're on stable ground as much as you can, I guess, over here. Beautiful. And then I want you guys to go temple to temple for me. Beautiful. And then, oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. Oh my word. And now I want, Katie, can you pull away from Ben? And Ben, you're almost gonna like still hold her head in your hands. And I want you to look at her and tell her, what was your very first impression of her when you first met her? And now, Katie, can you wrap your arms all the way around his neck? Yep, all the way around. And then Ben, you can just wrap your arms up and under her arms. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. And give her a big squeeze. Gorgeous. And can you, Ben, adjust that one piece of hair right there for Katie? Yep, beautiful. Gorgeous. Okay, amazing. Okay, we're gonna stay right there. You guys facing each other, but I want you to hold hands, and then Ben, I want you to kiss her hand. Beautiful. And can you actually roll your hand up so that I see a little bit more of your manicure? So you're gonna go like doot, doot, doot. Yep, beautiful, beautiful. That's so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at how cute that is. Oh my word. Come on now, that's so cute. So what I'm gonna have you guys do is you're gonna hold hands. You can either hold hands just like this, you could wrap your arm around him and hold hands at the same time. So when you're walking, you're gonna cross your legs over each other, so that then I'm gonna get the shot where your leg is pointed down and it's nice and elongated and flattering. And then Ben, for you, you're just gonna walk normal, and then we'll end with a really fun twist on the walking. So probably, Katie, what I think could be cute is if you have your hand up over your jacket, so that then we can see this really pretty shape. That is so good, you guys. And then Katie and Ben look at each other. Beautiful. The last one we're gonna do is more of like a little candid moment walking. What I call it is like bumper cars, a little bit more of a skipping, and you're gonna go into each other, out from each other. That's why I call it bumper cars. And with this territory of the rocks, we'll probably just do like 1 or 2 steps versus actually running towards me, because it just wouldn't be safe necessarily. Beautiful. Beautiful. If you're a photographer who's looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, I want you to check out my free Facebook group called Build and Bloom. This is my best free resource, and it's where you can ask questions about your specific photography business, whether you need help drafting a response to a difficult client situation, or you just want an extra set of eyes on a gallery you're about to send out. And I've just launched season 3 of the Build and Bloom Photography Podcast, available for you to listen and learn wherever you get your podcasts. I believe in you, and I believe in your business. Be sure to hit subscribe so you're the first to know when new free videos for your business come out, and I will see you in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn. I'll see you there.